One of my favourite crops without a shadow of a doubt, even way back when I was a kid and my dad growing them, was strawberries. You can't beat them. Do you remember going to your pick your own? Growing your own is even better.
Please give this video a like, share and add a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.
It's such an interesting plant because you can actually see the strawberry itself forming right in the middle of the flower. When the petals fall off, that's when it starts to grow, and those juicy fruits, all with the seeds on the outside, are absolutely delicious. And there are many different varieties. You can see I've got some pink flowering ones, and I've got some white flowering ones. They're beautiful on their own. Now, I've even drilled holes in the side of the bed, and I've got them cascading down, and they're really good croppers like this because they'll grow through the side of a raised bed. And of course, strawberry pots, they grow along the side of them. They're very, very versatile. You can grow them in grow bags or pots and containers. Strawberry is an easy crop, and the flavour is fantastic. Now, the secret with growing strawberries is to make sure that the strawberries themselves don't end up sitting on damp earth, because there's a couple of things. Slugs may be able to get to them, and you don't want to eat anything that slugs been nearby. And two, of course, they may rot. So there's lots of different ways you can do to offer the plant slightly higher than the ground itself. You can grow them on the end of the beds and then they just hang. They're really good to grow like that. Or you can put a membrane down, which is almost like a little bit of carpet, I suppose, biodegradable carpet or biodegradable cover that stops the strawberries sitting on the earth itself. Instead, it sits on those. But straw is just as good, okay? You can't get a strawberry without some straw. And I'm just laying it down on the surface of the bed and then lifting up the plants before they start producing the fruit and tucking it just underneath, so the strawberries themselves are sitting on that dry straw. And that dry straw, obviously, because it's not all compacted down, can dry out after rain. And it's always best when watering strawberries not to water them really last thing at night, so they're sitting in moisture for the whole evening. Water them either a little bit later on in the morning or sometime in the afternoon.
If you like this video, please subscribe for more content like this and switch on notifications to be notified of my latest videos.
And that's really what you do with the strawberries, making sure you put the straw down and then the fruit will actually sit on top of the straw as it goes. And of course that helps to suppress some of the weeds because it's not allowing much light to get onto the soil itself and keeping them moist. Straw for strawberries. Who would have believed it?
If you like this video, please give it a like and share with your friends and family. Remember to subscribe for more content like this and switch on notifications to be notified of my latest videos.